man, what's going on with this thing?
Welcome to the PFO channel. I'm Jim. I went to use our Delta table saw. It's a 10-inch model 36-725. And in between uses, I keep the blade all the way down for safety. Well, I went to crank the blade up, and the crank handle spins freely, and the blade doesn't move at all. So something is broken or has come loose. Let's go see if we can figure it out and get it fixed.
Let me get my kneeling pad over here. Oops. Something definitely loose inside of this thing. Oh. Okay, so this thing, there's no, I must have sheared the pin. There's a hole right there. Can you see that hole? Yeah, right there. That needs to have a pin in it to line up with the slot on the back of this, so that should be an easy fix. I don't know if the pin just slid out or broke.
If you don't have these kits in your shop, you really ought to consider it. If you don't have these on hand, you burn a lot of gas going to get them.
I need one that fits better than that. I think maybe that one will,
yep, that one will drive in there. You need it to fit tight, and the reason it's split is so that it will get smaller as you drive it in, and then it springs out and holds itself. So this has to go on first, and then the pin goes down through that. Some mass behind that. Okay. This is just a big slug of metal that I use as a little bench anvil, or it's a handy hand anvil when you need some mass behind something like that. Pound it on it. Suspend it up into air like that. And that goes on there. I don't know what's rattly inside there. Okay, the lock works. Oh, look at that. It's fixed. All right, that was an easy one. Well, I guess not every job has to be a hard one. Thanks for watching. PFO channel out.